Hey guys, welcome back to Grunt Nation. Today I will be swapping out my butt stock for brand new stock. I don't mind this stock, it's just, it doesn't have the aesthetic that I want, and it's kind of loose, moves around. And so the stock that I chose was the MAGPUL CTR compact type restricted stock. And let's get into it. So it comes in a package. It's got this little switch that helps it from moving, kind of keeps it in place much better than the other one. It just comes with directions, sticker, whole nine, you know, whatever. You'll want to pull down and push off like that. And then this new one, you'll have to, there's a little pin right here that they want you to pull down, and then it'll just slide right on. So you pull those down, slide it on, and then you lock it into place. And now that it's on, that's what it looks like. I think it makes the rifle look a lot better than what it was. Gives it a nice sleek look. And thank you for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. If you enjoy these videos, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.